What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to A5 Off-Road. I'm Andy. Today we are going to install the shifter gate. So last time I got my driveline in all done. I left it all apart so we can install this shifter gate that I got from A and UTV Pro. Check them out. It's metal. Nice finish on it. You can go from park to over to reverse and low or over to reverse and high. That should be nice. Rock crawling, I think, is where that'd come in handy, but we'll give it a try and see how it goes. It looks like a pretty self-explanatory setup. Shouldn't be too hard, especially where I got everything torn apart still. Another thing, just like the fender flares, it came with instructions. If I can get them open with one hand. And they're color instructions, and they are very nice. So we will start on this. I think the first thing I got to do is take the shifter knob off, wherever it's at, right there. Get the shifter knob taken off and get some bolts out of it. So I'll start doing that right now. All right, got you back. I got this off, got the handle off. Got all the bolts off the side, this side, these two, one on the other side, one in the middle here. But I've got to take this off right here. The instructions show a two-seater. There's two pins you pull and it'll come off, but this one has 3 pieces. So I feel like there's a bolt underneath here, or a screw. So I'm gonna get under, see what they are, and pull those out, and see if I can get this centerpiece off here. So I think it'll be easier on a two-seater, but that's okay, we'll make it work. I'll figure out what sides are under there and get those off and see if we can pull that centerpiece off. Because to get it off, we gotta kind of slide it forward to get it up. Finally got it off. That was tricky. So I had to undo, there's a screw up underneath here that screws the cup holder down, and then 2 underneath the side here to get this piece. And those are all T20s. So I got those off, lifted it off. Now I gotta take this off, and there's one underneath here that I gotta get to, and this one. And then this shift gate should pull off. So I'll get to that point and bring you back. All right, we're back. We're making progress. I've got it mounted. It's in there pretty sturdy. Up to park, over reverse, neutral, low, up, over, high, reverse, neutral, back to park. I just got to get everything buttoned back up. Now I've got this thing mounted. There's one under here, this one here, and this one over here. That's what mounts it. So I'll start throwing it back together. It's in. Sides are on. Everything's all dirty, but I just got to get these sides on here, but that's all hooked up. That's in place. Coming along. I think I'll finish in the morning. Pizza just showed up, so it's time to eat. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Well, it's the next day. I greased the front end and back end while I had it apart. But we're all back together. Seats are in, center console's in. That's the shift gate. Turned out pretty good. Haven't driven it with it yet. I'll get a video, go out and drive it, but just sitting in it, shifting it, it'll take a little bit to get used to. It's a little different than the factory one, of course, so just a little different to get where high and low is, but I like it. I think it'll be good, a nice addition. So that, like I said, I think I said at the start of the video, that came from A and UTV Pro. Give them a shout out. Go check out their website, www.autvpro.com. go check them out, see what they have. They got some pretty cool stuff that they offer. So they sent me this. I'll try it out and see how I like it. This and the fender flares. I did a video on that. They're already on and installed. Next video, we'll go get some action driving this thing. So between November 21st and November 30th, you will be able to get a discount from A and UTV Pro. Anything on their website, 15 to 20% off, depending on the products. Their Black Friday sale starts November 21st. That should be, from when this video airs, that should be starting tomorrow. I think this will go up on the 20th, so the 21st through the 30th of November 2023, you'll be able to get discount on all of their products. Use code BF2023. BF2023 will get you a discount. They have free shipping on all of their stuff in the United States, and they offer warranties anywhere from 3 months to a year, depending on the product. But go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get to their site, but they've been good to work with so far. I've enjoyed the fender flares, and I think that shift gate's going to do really good as well. So until next time, peace.